Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. Today's I want to show you my favorite best two-way image to text converter using free applications. So let's check it out. This brings us to the first free text converter, and this is probably one you already have. If you are running Windows 10, Windows 10 comes with this. Go to the taskbar, simply type the one note. After that, in the list it will show like this. Click on it, then screen will look like this. Now open the folder of the image where the image is kept. Right click on image and open with photos. Now go to the taskbar. Simply type the snip and sketch. After that, in the list it will show like this. Click on it, click on new. Select the rectangular snip. There is a lot of snip, but you select rectangular snip. Copy as much text as you want to convert. Once you done, it will show like this. From keyboard, press Ctrl A to select all and Ctrl C to copy file. Go to the OneNote, paste it. Right click and select copy text from picture and paste here. Now you can copy and paste in your Microsoft Word. Here you can change formatting, word sizes, bold, everything. In this way you can convert JPG to text. Let's jump on to the next free text converter. So next free JPG to text converter is Google Drive, and it's free. So select the Google Drive. I have already logged in, so it did not ask me to log in. If you are not, then it will ask you to log in. Click on new. Select file, upload. Now select the folder of the image where the image is kept. Select JPG file and click open. Once it uploaded, coming down, select your uploaded file. Right click, open with Google Docs. Now this is your JPG file. Coming down, you can see it converted JPG to text. Now you can select and copy. Here you can copy and paste it Microsoft Word, or you go to file menu, select the download, and here you can see lot of options given to download, so you can use it any format. So this way you can convert JPG to text. So guys, tell me how did you like this video in comment, and like and share it in your friend circle. Assalamu alaikum.